Hey guys, so if you have a meta-free Quest that is not sharp when you're, like, let's say, watching YouTube videos, now the thing is that this is something you can do. Is that when you're gonna watch settings, so you wanna click on the setting gear on the YouTube video, then you're gonna have quality, and you just want to increase it as much as possible. So for example, like this is the video of the MegaCon 2024, and when you're gonna look here on the settings and the quality, you just want to go as high as possible and then try to use it again. Now the thing is that this person just wrote here on this picture, so my 4K video sober, because on the same pixel count you're viewing less pixel when the VR, and this is the thing. So it's just a VR thing, right? So hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value on how we can possibly fix this issue. And so have a great day and goodbye.